Hello everybody, Flight ATC here with a guest as well. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this is AircraftTV. He has
Yep.
his own channel, you should check that out.
Not many videos on it.
Well, you'll get more with time if you want to. Anyway, let's get started. We're doing Airport Madness World Edition in Dubai. So, we'll see how this goes. Pretty efficient runway layout, I think. Oh, that's loud. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and then if the viewers have any questions that might be the same questions, then might answer it for both of you, so, yeah. How did that guy get there?
I don't know.
What the heck? I've never had a plane waiting to cross at that intersection ever in this game. That is weird. We'll have to watch the footage back and see how it got there. I don't think that's ever happened. That's weird. Cause, oh, you know what? Oh, okay, you know, he probably landed on this runway and then never do arrivals on this runway. But he had to park at that terminal for some reason, so that's probably why.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I've never had anyone do that, but that's fine. Just because of the system I usually get. It's interesting how this airport is like surrounded by like urban city. That's like I wouldn't want to be living near this airport because it's apparently very busy and like look at all this stuff on like the left there. We have an 80% efficiency rating. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Do you have any more questions or anything?
No.
That was a runway incursion that just happened on 1-2 left there with the 2 planes. And here comes another one. Oh dear.
Oh no.
2 runway incursions, both of them involving
He's good.
one of the same planes though, but still, even though he didn't crash, that's still a big problem. Oh!
Oh no.
Go around! Okay, it's okay. Okay. And now this guy's gonna do the same thing, so he gotta go around too. Oh dear. I didn't mean to yell. Oh, where are you going? Come back. Oh great, get yourself ready for a burst of traffic, it says. That's...
And explosions.
He's gonna have to go around again because the guy's still on the runway. So I can cross. But this guy has to go around.
How many times has that guy gone around?
That guy, I think that's his first time.
Oh, okay.
But then the guys in front of him, like 3 each, probably. No, like once each, I don't know. %, efficiency rating. It's pretty good. Anyway, I'll probably end the video soon, because, in these, like 2D, version games are not as exciting or complicated as, like, Tower 3D or anything. And that's fine, but it's just that there's not much to talk about, right? So, oh yeah. So I will probably end the video now. So thanks for watching Flight ATC, and have a nice flight, and check out AircraftTV's channel.
Yes.
So yeah.